So guys, in today's tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can retouch a picture like a pro using Lightroom. The easiest way you can edit a picture such that when people see it, they would give this wow expression. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you that. So make sure you watch this tutorial video to the end because you are going to be gaining a lot of value from this tutorial video. So without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial video. This is the interface of my Lightroom. You could see that there are lots of icons here, but I'm going to be showing you guys the specific icons that we are going to be using to edit this image. You could see that the image look dull. Now the reason why I'm making this tutorial video is because the members of our community actually requested for this video, so I want to use this opportunity to say a big shout out to the members of our community. Thank you so much for indicating interest. It was their interest that actually pushed me to make this tutorial video, and I'm saying a big shout out to you guys. You guys are the best. You guys are wonderful. Okay, so guys, the first thing we need to click on here is edit. It is important to learn how to retouch your pictures before you start designing, because if you don't have a good looking picture, it is going to affect the outcome of your design. So I will encourage you to pay attention to whatever we are going to be doing today. Now click on light. Now the image is looking dull, is underexposed, so let's adjust the exposure a little. Okay, this is too much. Okay, let's control it. 39 is okay. Now go to the contrast, increase it a little. Okay, the 20 is better. Look at the before, then look at the after. Now let's go to effect, so increase the texture. Okay, increase it. Don't worry, just increase it. 80. Wow, you know, one thing the texture does is that it makes the detail of the picture to pop out, so that is what it does. Now also increase the clarity. Yes, leave it at 84 for now. You could see that the picture is looking dark, right? Don't worry. Go back to light, go to the shadow, increase the shadow. Yes, now it's looking bright. Okay, decrease the highlight. Wow, this is looking better. Increase the contrast a little. Now I want to say this because many of you might not know this. There is no standard when it comes to editing of picture. Because of I used 70% for my shadow doesn't mean that you use 70% for yours. While editing, try to observe the outcome of each of the actions you are taking. If it is not suitable for that image, readjust it. Hope you understand what I'm saying. Then go to white, increase it a little. Okay, then go to black, increase it a little. Beautiful. Now go back to effect, go to the haze, increase it a little. That's not all. Now let's go to color, go to mix. I want you to work on each of the colors there one after the other. For the red, let's increase it to 8. Okay, no, 8, leave it at 8. Let's leave it at 7. Then for orange, let's increase the orange a little. Okay, a little. Okay, 2 is okay. Now let's go to yellow, reduce it. Okay, yes. Now go to green, let's reduce the green also. Okay, then let's go to the next color, which is blue, increase the blue. Okay, now let's go to magenta, increase the magenta. because of the hair and the eye. You can see the magenta color there. This was before and this is after. You could see how we have retouched this image and it's looking very beautiful. So guys, let's go to detail. Increase the sharpening. This is beautiful. Reduce it a little. Okay, then go to noise. Increase the noise. While editing, please look at what you are doing. If there is need for adjustment, readjust it so that it won't damage the image. As much as we want the image to look beautiful, doesn't mean that we should add so much effort to it, so much that the effect might affect the image negatively. So go to color noise, reduce the color noise a little. So guys, this is what we've got. This was before and this is after. So we are done here. And if you are done, click on this icon, click on save copy to device. So guys, this is how we retouch images or picture in Lightroom. Like I said earlier, it is important you retouch your image first before using it to create any design of your choice in Pixel. If you don't retouch the image, it will affect the outcome of your design after you are done creating that design in Pixel. So learn how to retouch your pictures in Lightroom. It is quite easy. This is part 1 of this tutorial. I'm going to be making a part 2 later, but if you want the part 2, let me know in the comment section. And guys, what do you think? What do you think of this image? Is it beautiful? If it's beautiful, let me know in the comment section. So guys, we are done. Lest I forget, if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new content on my YouTube channel. I also want to make a big shout out to Sunday and Francis. Thank you for requesting for the video. They were the 2 people that requested for the video after they watched the birthday tutorial video on my YouTube channel. In case you have not watched that video, do well to watch that video. Thank you. See you some other time.